Good morning. The sun says hello, and it is saying hello a little too intensely today because it's gonna be 100 degrees in Portland. Instead of staying home, we're gonna go to Sauvie Island. We're gonna have a little beach day and try to keep cool. We're already pretty cool, so come along with us. We'll go for a walk? Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Whew. Just finished at Sauvie Island and it is hot as balls. It's probably the hottest point of the day. And Ryan was such a great dog father and he picked up Garnet to make sure she didn't burn her little paws. We're heading out and we'll see you guys in a minute. Back home now. Garnet and I took a shower together, and washing a dog that doesn't like water is so difficult. It's like wrestling. You have to manhandle her. I got a package in the mail today and I don't know where it's from. So you and I are gonna discover that together. What is this? I love being a content creator. It's so fun to get just random packages in the mail. And then if you have too much of that item, you can just give it to your friend. Voila. What lash and nail dreams are made for. And excuse the mess. My house is so dirty.
Hey sunshine, greetings from paradise. Anywhere you have perfect nail and lashes is like living in a summer dream. Get ready to sizzle with nails and lashes hotter than the sun, all for under $8.44 and available at Walmart stores nationwide.
The Pearl collection. This one is the little gooey alien. Pop art, 3D artistry. That one's really cool. This looks like something you would see on Pinterest and then you'd be like, oh, I can do that. Easy. And then you attempt it and it turns out like shit. And we also have these fun little nail art stickers. Lashes. Very pretty. Dreamy Lash Cloud9. This is such a cute pair. A big thank you to Salon Perfect for all the fun goodies. These are really, really cute and I can't wait to try it out. And the absolute legend and the icon just changed our bumper? Our headlights.
Highs and lows, baby.
Was it hard?
No.
Have you done that before?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just twist, pop it out, take the old one out, put the new one in, put it in, twist it, done.
Oh, okay, football. Okay. Woo! This global warming is no joke, my guy.
That's right, my guy.
We just laid on the couch and watched TikToks. And we're quite hungry, so we're gonna go get some sushi. And might go shoe shopping after. I don't know.
Shoe shopping!
Shoe shopping!
Yeah, all we had was a sandwich today.
Yeah, we didn't eat breakfast or anything. That's so not like us.
It's such a brat girl summer.
Oof. And I'm gonna be a brat if we don't get food in me.
No, that was me. You want to take me shoe shopping with no comida? Give me thumb.
I would have got you a pretzel.
A pretzel? Well, you can still give me a pretzel. Let's not throw that off the table. Wifey bought me some sunscreen.
glowy sunscreen.
Glowy sunscreen so I can glow. Walking into Urban Outfitters at almost the age of 30 really makes you feel like you know when you're a preteen and you go into Toys R Us and you're like, I don't want to be here. There's nothing for me here. I want to go to Hot Topic. That's me in purple in the mattress store. I'm like, oh yeah, this is a nice $10,000 fucking mattress. But then juxtaposition, you walk into Urban Outfitters and you're like, holy, wow, a good Charlotte on vinyl for $45.
I remember one time, let's do a little trauma dump for y'all. I remember one time I was shopping with my mother, as my mother and I like to do, and we were in the like tween section, and my mom was looking at shirts, and I turned to her and I go, Mom, what are you doing looking at those clothes? These aren't for you. And she looked at me so sad and she goes, Mimi, one day you'll get it, but you can shop wherever you want. And she got really upset, as anybody would. And yeah, I always think about that now when I go shopping, because you really, like, shop in the men's section, shop in the kids section. Like, clothes can be manipulated to fit any body. And yeah.
If you want to wear bluey sneakers
Yep.
from Target, if you can fit your big old fucking dogs in them, by gone, do it.
Sorry, Mom.
I want to call my mom now. Everybody pause the video, take some time to call your mom, tell her you love her.